Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2013 Yamaha RAIDER. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2013 Yamaha RAIDER with 25,555 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a Vance & Hines exhaust, RAIDER floorboards, grips, and shift linkage. We have installed new front and rear tires. Powered by an 1854cc V-twin engine, the RAIDER puts 100 horsepower and 123 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 4.2-gallon fuel capacity, the RAIDER has around a 145 to 175 mile range. It has a 27.4-inch seat height and a 730-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output of 14 volts and installed the front and rear tires. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a scuff on the front fender, scratches on the end of the lever. This bike has a toolkit and 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.